Video, we're going to look at how we can use YouTube on the VR headset, and in this case we're going to be watching a video called The Party by The Guardian. So to start with our headset on, we're going to move our screen down so we can see App Library, and on our right hand side of the headset we're going to find the middle long button and we're going to press it once. Then we'll see a list of all apps. If we go to the top, a button will appear allowing us to go higher, and if we go to the bottom, a button will appear allowing us to go lower. I'm going to press on this one. We're going to go to Firefox Reality. Unless it's already showing, then you'll just click on it there. Firefox may take a few seconds to load up. And once it does, we want to go onto YouTube. Now, this one's already on YouTube, but if it wasn't, we would just click here. We'll just type in YouTube by moving our head and pressing the right-hand button. I'm going to press go. And once it loads up, we're going to look for the video we want by moving to the right-hand side and clicking on this search tab. Now, there's two ways we can do this. We can either type it in or we can press on the microphone. So I'm going to try the microphone. I'm going to press allow. The Guardian Party. The Guardian Party. Okay. Now, mine's not working because I'm using the microphone to record for you. But if I just click here, I can do the same thing. So I can go to the Guardian space Party. I can load that up. I'm going to choose this top one. Now, when it starts to play, it will just play like a normal video. We don't want that, so we'll just let this load.
Préparez-vous à une montagne d'idées cadeaux et d'offres vertigineuses. Tango, let yourself go.
Plus the advert. What we want to do is we're going to go to the bottom panel. Click on it to bring the controls up. So click again, you'll see the controls come up. And click on the square. That's it, the full screen. Then we're going to go down to the keyboard glasses and click on that. And we want it to be in 360 stereo.
How are you, Layla? I'm fine.
And now we should be able to watch the video. And if we turn around,
loads
we
of
should be able to see what's happening with the points.
Invading my house.
We want to bring the controls back up.
Act like them. Parties are my worst nightmare.
Oh, my headphones. Dad!
Everything sounds everywhere.